Benjamin Franklin once said, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I may remember, involve me and I learn." Day 10 in Guatemala. We're headed back to La Union this morning for some Spanish class. When we booked this trip to Antigua, I knew it was an area that was really popular for people coming to learn Spanish, and there are a ton of Spanish schools here in Antigua. The reason we chose to spend our week here with La Union was because their Spanish school is focused around experiential education. It is not sitting down doing bookwork the whole time. It is about experiences and learning and taking classes, embracing the culture, and learning Spanish all along the way. They were very excited for today. Muy emocionados. Ellos son muy emocionados para la escuela.
Muy bien, Cassidy. Como tú sabes hablar muy bien en presente, vamos a aprender un poco acerca del pasado.
We started the day with a one-on-one session with each of our individual tutors at La Union Spanish School.
She said I can keep this forever, Mommy. Look what else I can keep.
Snake! After our one-on-one Spanish lessons, we headed out for a group adventure to Los Bichos de Diana Reptile Preserve. We all loaded up in the school's private shuttle and headed out. Hola! Hola! Today's experience is going to a reptile and snake farm, or a reptile and snake reserve. Our kids are really excited.
Espero que todos me entiendan. ¿Me entienden todos? ¿Hablan español un poquito?
Sí.
Okay. Mi nombre es Gabriel Reyes. Soy representante legal y director técnico de este proyecto. Es una de las serpientes más comunes, entre comillas, de todo Guate. Habita todas las tierras altas de Guatemala.
Gabriel was so knowledgeable about the animals, and our tutors were there to help translate the info for us. Bravest members of our group even got to hold some of the snakes.
Las chinchillas son roedores nativos de Sudamérica.
Boys are super into animals right now, and this was a great way to follow their interests while traveling.
Ella se comería muy fácil a ti y a ti.
So today La Union brought us to a snake and reptile reserve. We were able to learn about some of the snakes that naturally live here in Guatemala and some reasons why they go endangered. It's really powerful to have these types of excursions with our Spanish tutors with us. They're able to not only translate the message from the person who's providing us the experience, but they're also able to encourage us to practice our Spanish along the way, and they can communicate our ideas that we're, communicating in English back to the person who's offering the experience. If we were to just go out and sign up for one of these excursions without La Union Spanish School, we'd be trying to figure out what the person was saying the entire time, and we would not be learning as much because we don't have someone bilingual there to help us. If we were just signing up for Spanish school at one of the other Spanish schools that has less of an experiential education component, we'd probably be sitting at a desk for 4 or 5 hours a day learning out of a notebook instead of having these awesome interactive experiences. So I highly recommend La Union if you are looking to learn Spanish, especially if you're studying with kids. They offer one-on-one for the whole family, and I cannot say enough good things about these wonderful Spanish tutors who are helping our family become fluent in Spanish.
Extremadamente grandes. La teoría dice que pueden atravesar uñas.
What do we get to do at school this afternoon?
Piñata!
Piñata!
Get back!
After we broke for lunch, we came back to school for a piñata party. There weren't any other kids at La Union Spanish School besides ours this week, so Juan Carlos invited all the kids of the people who worked there and all the friends who live close by to join us for a piñata and a children's party. And our kids couldn't have been more stoked for this experience. What are you doing to him? Locking him in? School had run toys for all the kids. And Brandon led the kid group with some fun games.
Ahora, ¿cómo se llama esto? Se llama... A ver, Isla, ¿cómo se llama? No. Se llama ron ron.
Ron, ron,
Say ron ron.
ron, ron.
You got it, perfecto.
Emma, 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 Emma.
Vamos a contar las vueltas.
Emma.
1, 2. Vamos. 4. Vamos.
Busting open this piñata was no easy task for these kids. Eventually, Papa Scott had to step in and bust that piñata once and for all.
That was my first.
Here's a bolsa.
Camisa bolsa. Dice gracias, Abbas. There were snacks and drinks for the kids. It was an unusual feeling to have such a deep sense of community while abroad.
These are dinosaur boots, Mommy.
Those are dinosaur foods. After the piñata party, we still had time for one more experience. Time to make some traditional Guatemalan postres known as rellenitos.
Preparar comidas típicas y postres típicos de Guatemala. Hoy día jueves 17 de noviembre de 2022 queremos compartirles a ustedes amablemente un postre que se llaman rellenitos.
Plátanos, frijoles, and cinnamon sugar.
We all know the song. Despacito.
This was the perfect world schooling experience for our family. Our kids love to use their hands, work in the kitchen, and this was really cultural.
Masa y después a freír en el sartén.
Tú tienes que agarrar más. Sí, vamos.
You gotta put more on the top.
Bonito.
Gracias.
Luego vamos a colocar en el sartén.
So satisfying.
Atlas made that one.
Manera. Toman un rellenito y con azúcar. Sí. Y está listo.
I never knew that a treat made with beans could be so delicious. Atlas and I had so much fun playing with the other kids. Our last day at La Union was going to be a full day field trip, so they gave us our diplomas at the end of day 2 for all of our hard work here at La Union Spanish. What did you guys think of school?
But I'm going up in the sky.
I'm not crying, I swear my eyes have been watering. I've lost my voice. Not sad, just exhausted. We had another great day with La Union Spanish School, and we are home for the night, time to relax, and I can't wait to show you what's happening tomorrow. But for now, give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the rest of our Guatemala vlogs. And until next time, Unconventionalists, keep exploring life outside the box.